This video introduces the QE for lighting tool used in developing lighting solutions. This video will demonstrate the basic functions of the smart lighting system and how the QE for lighting tool contributes to its development. To achieve a high-efficient, energy-saving, and comfortable lighting environment, the smart lighting system is increasingly becoming a high-growth market. A smart lighting system consists of two important components: the digital dimming module and the power control module. The digital dimming module is a key component of the smart lighting system. It allows for more flexible lighting control and further optimization of building lighting environments. Among all digital dimming protocols, DALI is increasingly favored for its compatibility, operational flexibility, high lighting efficiency, and reliability. The power control module, centralizing several functions, is another key component of the smart lighting system. Digitizing the power supply is a method to improve the efficiency. It will reduce power consumption, maintain stability, minimize output variation, and increase responsiveness. Currently, developing a smart lighting system involves substantial effort. Developers should acquire the necessary knowledge, design specifications, create a board, and develop and evaluate the entire system. Renesas provides a range of libraries, documentation, and evaluation boards to support customer development and evaluation activity. The QE for lighting provided by Renesas is an assistant tool for configuring and evaluating the smart lighting system. Using QE for lighting tool, you can expedite the development of the lighting system in 3 steps. Prepare a project with an evaluation board and development environment. Configure it according to the guide, and generate the program for the entire solution. It provides a professional and efficient platform for developing the smart lighting system and significantly shortens the development period. QE for lighting seamlessly integrates Renesas lighting system libraries, integrated development environments, IDEs, programming tools, solution programs, and evaluation boards. User can create new solutions basing on these rich resources. The parameters of the dimming protocol can be configured through a graphical user interface. For example, the graphical user interface for the DALI protocol is organized according to the protocol structure for easy understanding and use. QE for lighting also integrates with various compilers and related software, allowing seamless generation of source files, compilation, and one-click downloading of the program to the evaluation board. Finally, the development of a lighting system solution is completed. QE for lighting provides great values to the development. It simplifies design activities, reduces development time, and saves costs and human resources. It makes the development of the smart lighting solution simple, quick, and efficient. For more information on the easy development environment using QE for lighting, please visit the Renesas website.